Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove rust from your vehicle in a very easy, effective, and quick way. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're dealing with here, you can see it's some surface rust where the paint had come off. And now you've got this coating of rust here. So what we need to do is remove that so that way we can prep it to touch that up. We also need to fix this dent a little bit. I'll pull that out, but we won't do that in this video. So I'm going to show you what you'll need to do to prep that and then to dissolve that rust so that way you have a nice clean surface that you can then prime and paint. The items that you'll need to complete this, you'll need some kind of rust dissolver. I'm going to be using, for this one particularly, I'm going to use a Rust-Oleum, but I know Loctite makes one as well. There's some other ones out there, but basically anything that'll kill that rust and remove it. You'll need an applicator to apply the jelly, and then you'll need just a soft copper brush or wire brush that you can use to scrape the surface off to prep that. Let's start by taking the copper brush and gently just scraping off any loose debris and rust off of that area. Everything has been, at least any loose things have been scraped off. So now I'm going to go ahead and start applying the Rust-Oleum rust dissolving jelly on there, and then we'll let that sit. Go ahead and apply that to all the rust area. You want to apply it liberally. Alright, so we've gone ahead and applied the jelly. We're going to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, which is what the product says to do. We'll come back and then we'll rinse it off with some water, and then we'll see if there's any rust left, and hopefully that'll take care of everything. Looking here now, we're coming up on the 15-20 minute mark. You can see there a lot of the rust has been eaten away and dissolved. So I'm excited to rinse this off and see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put some water on it, rinse it off, see what's left. Actually looks very, very good. All the rust looks to be gone. There's a little bit of black stuff there, but I don't believe that's rust. But just going to kind of rub it a little bit, and then we'll rinse off some more of it, and then we'll be right back. Okay, rinsed everything off. Looks like all the rust is gone. I got these dark spots here. Not sure if that's rust or not. It doesn't look like it, but you can always put a second coat if you wanted to, and then just prepare to go ahead and prime it, or even put like a rust inhibitor primer and then repaint it. But that pretty much takes care of it. Alright, well that pretty much wraps it up. As you can see, the rust came off very easy. This stuff works very well. Took that off. This wraps up this video on how to remove rust from your vehicle. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time.